Good morning everyone. In today's class of business studies, I will discuss importance or significance of planning. Here we can see 6 points are here in the diagram. Just understand these points. Planning provides direction. Planning reduces the risk of uncertainties. Planning reduces overlapping and wasteful activities. Planning promotes innovative ideas. Planning facilitates decision making, and last, planning establishes standard for controlling. So here in the 6 points we can easily learn the meaning just understanding English of these words. Simply, planning provides direction means planning gives us direction so that we can work easily. Similarly, planning reduces the risk. Planning also reduces any wasteful activity. Planning also helps in innovative means new ideas. Planning facilitates or promotes decision making. This point was same. It was I had discussed this point in features also. Next, planning is the base or standard for controlling. As we know, planning is the first function of management, controlling is the last function of management. So simply, whenever we do the last function, controlling, we check planning and we check what we had thought in planning process, and then we compare, we match the final output or actual output with planned output. Then we check, is there everything okay or not. So let's discuss these points one by one in detail. Okay, here is the detail of all points. Planning provides direction. It is written here. Planning is concerned with determined course of action. It provides a direction to the efforts of employees. Planning makes clear what employees have to do, how to do, etc. By stating in advance how work has to be done, planning provides direction for action. Employees know in advance in which direction they have to work. This leads to unity of direction also. If there were no planning, employees would be working in different directions. So organization will not be able to achieve its desired goal. So simply, planning provides us direction. It tells us what we have to do in future. Next, planning reduces the risk of uncertainties. Organizations have to face many uncertainties and unexpected situations every day. So planning helps a manager to face uncertainty. Okay, the plans are made to overcome such uncertainty. Overcome means to solve. Next, planning reduces overlapping and wasteful activities. It means plans ensure clarity. Planning से आप में clarity आ जाएगी, clarity of thoughts and action, and work can be carried out smoothly. Smoothly means in flow, बिना रुके काम चलता रहेगा. Planning provides innovative ideas. Innovative means new. So here it is written, planning requires high thinking and it is intellectual process. Again I am telling intellectual. Same I have discussed in features also. Intellectual means related with mind. So there is a great scope of finding better ideas, better methods and procedures to perform a particular job. Planning process forces managers to think differently and assure the future conditions. So it makes the managers innovative and creative. Okay, so planning brings more innovative or new ideas. Okay, managers may think differently. Planning facilitates decision making. It is same as I discussed in feature. So the same is written here. The planning function is needed only when different alternatives, it means choices or options, are available and we have to select most suitable alternative. So planning helps the manager to take various decisions. Last but not least, planning establishes standard for controlling. It means controlling means comparison between planned and actual output. If there is variation, the meaning of variation is written here. It means difference or change. Means in controlling function we compare whatever we planned and what is the actual output, and we see if there is any variation. Variation means difference in the planned output and actual output between both. Then find out the reason. Then we check the reasons for such deviations and taking measures. Measures means precautions and solutions to match the actual output with the plan, because actual output must be same as planned output. But in case there is no planning, but अगर planning ही नहीं किया, so that's why planning is very important. But if there is no planned output, then controlling manager will have no base. हमें base नहीं होगा to compare whether the actual output is adequate. Adequate means right or not. So planning is very, very important. So this is the importance or significance of planning. We can also say these are the advantages of planning. So today I have discussed one more very important topic, importance or significance of planning in chapter 4. Thank you for listening. Next I will discuss in other video.